Child safety car seats. Choosing the best booster seats for kids is among the most crucial things which you should think about. It is an undeniable fact that kids can be protected by the booster from spinal cord accidents with serious injuries in a car collision. If they too large for a kid car seat, your child should maintain boosters or they weigh about 40 to 80 pounds. A point is a booster seat must be used with shoulder and lap belts. Without boosters, kids will be uncomfortable in a belt. That children who traveling a car are required by the law of nations. If all children can ride until approximately age 8, it is very good. It is essential that all child to maintain the proper restraint for their size and age. Because one study demonstrated that children ages 2 to 5 who are moved to safety belts are times less likely to be exposed to severe head injury than those retained in booster seats. In a vehicle accident, the shoulder strap of a security belt may hit a child shorter across face or the neck when they supposed to hit on the chest. There is also a risk of injury as a grown belt will hit across the kid's stomach to his or her lap. This is why these kids need a seat that will raise them up so the grown-up security straps fit over their chests and hips appropriately and shield them in on the case of a vehicle accident. Typically, when it's time to get a booster seat, most parents may be looking to get on the safest and on the most comfortable fit to get their children. There are quite a number of modern features make looking for the very best booster seats much easier. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.